Get ready for a heart-pounding aviation drama. Engine failure on final approach to runway 28. Picture this. You're on final approach to runway 28. Suddenly, one engine quits. The pilots quickly declare an emergency. They're trained for this, but the stakes are sky-high. Now, they need to rely on the remaining engine. They balance the plane, adjusting throttles and controls. Every second counts. The runway is in sight, but they must stay calm and precise. At just the right moment, the pilots expertly touch down, using every ounce of their training. The plane comes to a safe stop. Passengers breathe a sigh of relief, and the pilots are heroes. Engine failure on approach. A test of skill, nerves, and training. Aviation at its most intense. Stay sharp, fly safe.